Hello, it's Miss Scouter Niraj Khadka of Nepal Patrol from Average Scout Group. Today I am here to teach you how to tie friendship knot on a scarf. This is the waggle of a scarf. Sometimes we may miss or lost the waggle. In this case, we can tie friendship knot on a scarf. First of all, I want to show you that this is my left hand scarf and this is my right hand scarf. Your left hand should be stick, place over right hand, make a loop. Take down the left hand, pass out through the loop, make it tightly. Now your friendship knot is ready. In this way we can tie friendship knot. Hope you understood how to tie friendship knot. Thank you.